Hello, my name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here is your daily technical analysis of Brent crude oil and spot gold. ICE Brent crude oil. A second bullish white soldier yesterday and also a possible shooting star pattern, though whether it is a type 1 bearish or a type 2 bullish is yet unclear. This follows the previous session's immediate countering bullish harami. Prices continued their move up from the lowest low and low close since December 2021, punching up through and closing over the May 2023 low at 71.29 and the 2021 high at 71.75. However, the market only managed to punch up through the September 2019 high at 71.99, closing right on it, and over temporarily the December 2023 low at 72.29, though failing to maintain the bullish incentive there. All these make up part of a congestion zone between 71.75 to 72.30. Perhaps more importantly, prices punched up through and closed over the breached dark blue lower time, currently at 71.54, the mid-April to early July bearish shift pitchfork. We're also still in between the bright red middle time below, currently at 69.92, and the bright red upper time above, currently at 77.86 of the steeper bearish Andrews pitchfork for the same move as the dark blue bearish shift pitchfork. Looking above, we next have a small constant congestion band 73.38 to 73.73, containing the May 2019 high at 73.38 and the interesting 50% absolute Fibonacci line at 73.73. Now, I reported last week how the tines of the two pitchforks crossed in the middle of 2 weeks ago and how it was not unusual to see volatility when such tines crossed. I warned you in advance that the next crossover will be on the 12th of September, to watch out for some potential volatility. Well, it seems that this volatility has come about, if perhaps a couple of days early this time. Now, so far today, a higher open on the December 2023 low and a small attempt higher, but prices now have not managed to exceed yesterday's high as yet. Spot gold. A dramatic bullish open and close, long white Mariposa that made a new all-time high and high close yesterday. Prices punched up using the 50% projected Fibonacci line at 25.09 as a base and closed over the dark blue upper trend line again, currently at 25.14, of the April to date broadening top pattern, as well as the previous all-time high seen in August at 25.32, and as well as a newer, lesser projected Fibonacci line at 25.57. Importantly, the market also pushed up through and closed over the bright red middle time, currently 25.35, of the late June to late July bullish shift pitchfork. This pitchfork has been guiding prices higher throughout this summer. We now have another more recent 50% projected Fibonacci line at 25.79 plus the 100% projected Fibonacci line of the original move at 25.87 before we really start looking at the bright red upper time at 26.10. Now, we still have overhead some potential targets topside for the original move out of the broadening top pattern. Thus, a primary target X would be in the 26.28 area with a secondary harder to reach target X1 up in the 26.96 area. Please bear those in mind. So far today, a lower open but then another new all-time high as prices move up towards the next 50% projected Fibonacci line at 25.79. Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted both at the front and the back of this broadcast. Copyright is Eddie Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final important bit.